C-A-R-S-O-N.
Dr. Carson, what education do you have?
I received a PhD in toxicology from Midwestern University.
What do you do for a career?
I'm the president and owner of my own forensic consulting firm, Reliable Experts Incorporated.
Have you ever published anything?
20 of my articles have been published, 18 of which were published in legal journals.
Have you ever been a consultant in a court case?
Yes, I have consulted in over 300 court cases.
Have you ever testified in a court case?
Yes, I have testified in 23 criminal trials.
Have you ever been qualified as an expert by a district court?
In the state of Independence, I'm qualified as an expert in over 40 district courts.
At this time, I would ask the court to accept Dr. Carson as an expert in medical toxicology.
Any objection?
None, Your Honor.
All right, she is accepted as an expert in toxicology.
Dr. Carson, what materials did you like to prepare for your testimony here today?
I reviewed all the affidavits, and I also reviewed the blood sample taken from Mr. Beaver at 3:45 at the hospital, which revealed a blood alcohol concentration level of 0.057%.
Dr. Carson, what time did Mr. Beaver begin to drink and what time did he stop?
Mr. Beaver began drinking at 12:01 a.m. and stopped at 1:30 a.m.
Why is it important to know when a person stops drinking?
Your blood alcohol concentration level peaks 30 to 90 minutes after one stops drinking.
What time did the accident occur? What time did Mr. Beaver swerve toward that bridge?
Mr. Beaver swerved towards Railroad Bridge at 2:20 a.m.
What is the average rate of alcohol elimination?
I use the well-established average of 0.015%, which is accepted by both the medical and scientific communities.
So would you say that the rate of elimination used by Dr. Shelley Storm is inaccurate?
I would. Shelley Storm said that he was a habitual drinker, which I suppose you could say Justin Bieber had a habit of being a casual drinker.
Based on the evidence you reviewed, how much did Mr. Beaver have to drink that night?
5, maybe 6 beers.
The record reflect that I am showing the opposing counsel what has been marked as exhibit number 2. May I approach the bench?
You may.
First witness.
Yes, you may.
I'm handing you what has been marked as exhibit number 2. Could you please identify it?
This is the blood alcohol curve that I drew up for Justin Bieber.
Has this been changed or altered at all?
No, it has not.
I offer exhibit number 2's evidence its authenticity has been stated.
Any objection?
None, Your Honor.
Without objection, it's so admitted.
What time did Mr. Beaver's blood alcohol concentration peak?
2:20 a.m. I estimate the peak at a range of 0.072 to 0.079%.
So would it be correct in saying his blood alcohol concentration peaked at the time he swerved around the bridge?
Yes, the peak and the time that he swerved are consistent times.
Was he ever drunk at any point during the night?
No, Mr. Beaver would never be recognized as legally drunk throughout that night.
Did he show any sense of intoxication?
No, as all of the different affidavits never resist to point out, he didn't show any signs of intoxication.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Cross-examine.
Dr. Carson, is it true you're being paid $1,500 to be in court today?
Yes, it is. I'm an expert in the field of toxicology, therefore my
That's
services are
No,
costly.
that it is true you're being paid. Thank you. And you've reviewed the entire case, including all the witness statements, correct?
Yes, that is my job.
And so then you're aware that these teens were all underage drinking, correct?
Yes, I am.
You would base these assumptions, or your assumptions, off of the witness statements, isn't that true?
Yes, I have, as has Dr. Shelley Storm.
Correct. And so now looking at your findings, you say that Dustin never reached over a 0.079%, that's correct?
That is correct.
Now that is only 0.01% or 0.001% away from the legal limit, isn't that true?
That 0.001% makes all the difference, crossing the threshold into legally drunk or legally sober.
but it was only that far away, correct?
This is correct.
And earlier today, you heard Dr. Storm explain to us that a person with a VAC of 0.08% would be too intoxicated to drive and have impaired muscle and vision. Would you agree with that on a scientific standpoint?
I would.
But with your calculations, Dustin Beaver was only 0.001% away from these impairments, correct?
A little bit makes all the difference.
That was a yes or no?
Yes.
Thank you. No further questions.
For your